Any moment now. Oh, spare me your spin, you tabloid. If you want to psychoanalyze someone, don't look at me. Look at them, it's so pathetic how they run to fetch their sticks. Sure, call me polemic, unsympathetic, at least I know other tricks. Look at me and all I see is an abused and defective outcast. A frenetic antithetic if poetic little iconoclast, but I won't live in the past. I almost won this game once, you know. But history is rearranged and a credit those who win the glory. So reality is changed in the edit when they spin the story, and we choose to feel this pain. And we lose more than we gain. But I will break this cycle of mistakes, unlike all of these snakes whom I go to condemn. If I can't win the prize, I'll play this last reprisal just to bring their lies all to an end. Unfortunately, I don't have much faith in that process. Why? Of course not. Can this place start again, or I can hear how preposterous that sounds? How do you not comprehend the pursuit with my monstrous background? The whole slate has fallen apart. It's too late for me to restart, but it's not I, it's they who deign to play this game so cruel and inhumane, base and uncouth. I think they're too afraid to bear the bed they've made, can't bring themselves to face the awful truth. So we're turning up the heat till today I have a beef to get grilled. But if I'll guarantee that today all the beans that get spilled won't be mine. No, I'm fine. Now it's time.